Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I do have a special casting, which is 57th anniversary casting. I'm actually very excited to unbox this casting. So let's start this unboxing. Shall we? Yes, we can. So as you can see here, this is a Hot Wheels 57th anniversary casting. It is part of 6 casting. It is a number 1 casting of 6. As in backside we can see here other 5 cars along with the this one. So today I do have the casting of Volkswagen Baja. Okay. So it is a off-road Beetle off-road modified version Baja, and it is actually Volkswagen Beetle. Okay. So others 5 castings are, as you can see here, D Muscle, Jeep 75 and 55 Corvette, Muscle and Brawn, and Baja Bison 75. And this one, as you can see here, today we have this casting Volkswagen Baja. Okay. The card art is looking fabulous. The pearl purple color and the gold color is looking very stunning. And as you can see here, the art card is actually different from the original. So it is a 57th anniversary casting, and card art is similar like purple. And few years back we do have a casting colors card, and this is the very first one which I have bought from the 57th anniversary. So I am actually very excited. Let's unbox this packing. Let's unbox this card. Wow, just wow. As you can see here, the card is looking very good, especially the livery of purple pearl color and the gold chrome complemented, as it is looking very. Let me zoom it. Now as you can see here, this card is actually looking very stunning. I really like this casting. Actually the Beetle version of Volkswagen is very popular among the collectors. As you can see here, that just look at that this casting. Isn't it very great? Especially I like the combination of gold chrome color and the pearl purple color. This card is looking absolutely stunning. As you can see here, let me show you guys how great the color combination is. Oh, acha. So the Volkswagen emblem is here, but actually, to be very honest, this is not the right one. It should be here. It should be here, as I am pointing here. It should be here somewhere. Okay. Okay. Wow. So as you can see here, the petrol jerrycan is also designed here. So which is very great. And and the 57th emblem was also here, as you can see here. Let me show. 57th Hot Wheels anniversary is here also logoed, and the card chrome. I am really mesmerized after seeing this gold chrome edition. This is very good casting. Actually, I am pretty much loving it. And the engine finishing and the interior of black color, the combination of the color purple, black and gold is awesome. And it is the casting is little bigger, not heavier or lighter. It is actually little bigger than other castings. Is so yes, overall the casting is looking very great. If you want me to rate the casting, I will rate around 4.2 out of 5, because obviously it is a special edition car, and the color, and obviously Volkswagen Beetle is one of the favorite for collectors. So because of these reasons, I am rating this car 4.2 out of 5. Okay. So let me know in comment if you guys like this casting or not. If you want to say something, my comment box is there, and you can do comment if you want to. So for today, it's a wrap up. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like or comment, or if you want to, you can subscribe. It will boost my YouTube channel. Hope you stay tuned for more videos. Thumbs up.